Hello viewers, so come on as you work out this month's Olympiad problem. So it's a very interesting month's Olympiad problem that you want to work out within the shortest time possible. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, so this one is now what we have. We have 2 to the power of a, then again plus again 2 to the power of a, then plus again 2 to the power of a should give us 66. So don't worry on how we want to work it out, because we shall work it out within the best way possible. So 2 to the power of a plus 2 is common. So now we shall now pick just one. So 2 to the power of a. So into bracket, we shall now factorize the whole of this. We shall now have 1 plus 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 66. So reason that when we expand this bracket, we shall end up with the one that is at the top, 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a. So let's now work the number inside the bracket. So now 2 to the power of a, now into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, close the bracket, is equals to 66. So from there, we now want to divide both sides by 3. So here also by 3. So that now, when you divide by 3, so we shall now say that now our 2 to the power of a, so 3 to the 3, so we shall now have 2 to the power of a alone is equals to 3 here once, 3 into 66 shall give us 22. So 2 to the power of a is equals to 22. So in this case, it is difficult for us to express the base of 2 as we cannot change 22 as a whole number to the base of 2. So now we shall now introduce the log from both sides. So the log of 2 to the power of a is equals to the log of 22. So from here, suppose we have the log of b to the power of a. So this one shall be a log b. So now instead of having log 2 to the power of a, we shall now have a log 2 is equals to the log of 22. So in this case now we shall divide by the log of 2. So this side also divide by the log of 2. So the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel out. So this one shall cancel out. So now we shall now have a is equals to the log of 22 all over the log of 2. So here now we can still simplify the log of 22 by saying that a is equals to the log of 22. It can also be expressed as 2 multiplied by 11, then all over the log of 2. So suppose we have the log of ab. So this one can also be expressed as the log of a plus again the log of b. So let's work out the log of 2 times 11 into the form of the log of a plus the log of b. So now our value for a shall be written as the log of 2 plus the log of 11 all over the log of 2. So let's now split the equation so that we can now divide both sides by the log of 2. So our value for a in this case, so now our a is equals to the log of 2 all over now the log of 2, then plus the log of 11 all over the log of 2. So now our a is equals to, so the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel out. So now we shall remain with 1 plus the log of 11 all over the log of 2. So when we have the log of a all over the log of b, we can express it as the log of a to the base of b. So now finally we shall now conclude that the value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 11 to the base of 2. So how have we got this? So let's now confirm and check. So the question that we had initially, so we had 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a. So 2 to the power of a plus again 2 to the power of a plus again 2 to the power of a is equals to 66. So from here now we've worked out the whole of this. by having 2 to the power of a. 2 to the power of a is equals to 22. So let's work it out. So now we shall now say that 2 to the power of a, and our value for a is 1 plus. So 1 plus the log of 11 to the base of 2, which is equals to here 22. That is our value after working out the log of this, or after simplifying. So here now we shall have now 2 to the power of 1, then instead of addition we shall multiply again 2 to the log of 11 to the base of 2 is equals to 22. So here 2 to the power of 1, we shall now have 2 multiplied by the log to the base of 2 shall cancel these 2. Now we shall have 11 is equals to 22. So our final answer is 2 times 11. We shall now say that 22 is equals to 22. So we are very right when we say that our value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 11 to the base of 2. So if you really liked how we have worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.